Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I'm back with another video, and today we are not going to do any sewing. We are just going to talk and discuss about sewing plans for spring and summer. Hopefully you will get reminded of some patterns, hopefully you will discover some new ones, and hopefully you will get inspired. And now I think we can just jump straight into it. So I decided to divide my ideas, my plans into different categories. Let me just say, the plans are not 100% sure. Some of them I'm still questioning if there is no better pattern, or if I have good fabric for it, or if I'm willing to buy another fabric for it, but I'm going to say when I will be talking about the specific pattern. I will start with the favorite dresses. As a first dress that I would like to make, I have to correct myself, remake, because I have already made it 2 times, but you haven't seen it, guys. It's a pattern called On a Dress from LUcyaSews. Of course, they are going to be mentioned here many times, just because their patterns fit me well and I feel like I'm not wasting my time by making them and buying them as well. There will be a couple from LUcyaSews. So the first one is On a Dress. I have made it when I was pregnant. I did buy, I think, 1 or 2 sizes bigger than me, and most of the pattern is constructed with the elastic inserted inside, so it's very forgiving. It was very comfortable when I was pregnant, and I think I'm going to wear it this summer again. However, I thought about this dress again because I saw this picture on Pinterest, and I really liked it. The color, the dress, everything, and the material. I think it's like a linen, or at least linen blend, and I made mine in viscose, which was a little bit more flowy, and I like the volume on this picture of this dress, so I think I'm going to make On a Dress again. For the fabric, I have this linen. It's a little bit more lightweight. I think this is a good choice, but I bought this fabric for another pattern, which I will talk about later. This is the thing that I'm hesitating for which pattern to use this fabric, just because I want to get really a good wear out of it. This is one option. Another dress which will be also a remake is Cafe Bustier dress, which I don't know why I was waiting for so long to buy this pattern. I think it's just because I used to really focus on making my own patterns, which I will do again for sure, and also I was doing a lot of free patterns, so whatever. I finally bought it. I already made it twice, and first time I made it a couple of months ago. Since then I lost some weight, so it's a little bit big for me right now. After that I made it size smaller. That fits me great. It's just such amazing, elegant shape, very timeless and very flattering, I find. I think on many people, especially if you make the skirt that she has a tutorial on how to make it from hair pattern. Very easy, by the way. I did these 2 dresses, both of them in viscose. Just a second, I will show you. So the first viscose is this one. It's a navy blue background with little white flowers on it. Very similar fabric to her video. I was inspired and it just turned out amazing, except, as I said, this was the first version, so it's a little bit big for me. The straps are not sewn in, but everything else about this dress is finished. I love it, amazing. And the second version is this one, which also doesn't have straps yet. Anyway, it was not so hot outside that I could wear it somewhere. And this one is, I don't know if you are able to see, but really beautiful pink viscose with also white daisies, I think, on it. And this one, as I said, I made it size smaller, so it fits me much better. A really pleasant pattern to make. However, for this one I changed the skirt. I made a half circle skirt just because I was lazy to count again and make another pattern, but it's still very nice, very swooshy. So I made these 2 versions from viscose. I still have some stacks of different colors of viscose that I will probably end up using for this pattern again, just because I love it so much and I think it's a really easy dress to wear in summer. I'm going to do another version again. Honestly, I would really like to film, not as a tutorial, because, you know, she has her own tutorial and it's amazing, it's perfect, there is no need for me to do any tutorial for it, but more how it feels to make this pattern. Is it easy? Just the process, but not the instruction part. For the fabric, I'm going to use this amazingly smooth cotton satin. I mean, look at the print. Usually I'm not a huge fan of big floral print. This one somehow speaks to me, and the color combination, pink and this shade of greens I think goes really well together. I'm going to make again a cafe bustier dress, probably because of the fabric and how special it is. I'm going to make this dress for a wedding. We have 2 weddings this year so far to attend. Maybe there will be more, who knows. So I think that's a good reason why to remake this dress. I already made it, so I know it will look really nice on me. The next dress that I'm going to make is a halon dress from Paradise pattern, I think. I will just put it over here to not confuse you, because right now I cannot remember exactly the name, so I will just put it here on the screen. And this dress has 2 options, with the gathered back and not gathered back, and also you can make it I think short or long. I made it once from kind of like a dark burgundy linen with the bag that was not gathered. It's really nice dress, but I had to adjust the darts. That's usually a problem for me, they're just not at the correct place. And also, I don't know, maybe I will like it more if it's from more soft and fluid and drapey fabric, because this linen is quite stiff and it's holding shape, and those kind of dresses that doesn't have a defined waist, they don't always look really nice on me. I am definitely going to make this dress again with the gather bag, long version, and definitely from some nice and drapey fabric. I have a lot of viscose at home, so probably one of them will become a halon dress. The next dress that I would love to make, again, I already made it one time, very famous Sicily slip dress. I think probably at this point everyone made it. I didn't make it until maybe 1 or 2 months ago, and I just tried it from fabric that I have tons and tons of. I just wanted to see how the pattern feels, how it looks on me before I cut into some nice fabric. I have to say I really like the pattern. I will probably make it just few centimeters longer because it just hits kind of like below my knees, and I'm quite short, so if you are tall, be careful about this if you never made it, or if you wanted this length, is great, but you know, I like more midi length dresses. So I will definitely make this dress again. Which fabric? For now, I don't know. So this is a question mark. Probably if I don't have enough time and I have to prioritize something over this, then I will not make it, but I would love to. And I think that's the dresses that I want to make this spring and summer. For the skirt, I have 2 skirts, one of the LUcyaSews patterns. This one, there is also a free pattern from Grasser, which I made a video about. Go check it out if you want to see. It's not my pattern, but it's for free for everyone. Very simple, easy, good, nothing wrong about it. But I would like to try another one to see if I like it more. So I bought the one from LUcyaSews, and this one probably I will try first from some polyester satin that I have at home, and if it goes well and if I like the fit and everything, then I might cut into my silk, which I am terrified to do, but I know I will get a lot of wear out of this skirt because it will be such a timeless piece, so elegant and very easy to wear as well, and pair with many other things. Yeah, so if it goes well, then I will end up using silk. And then I have another pattern for the wrap skirt. This is a question mark because I never tried these patterns before. They are from Etsy, and so I will probably try to make a mock-up first and see how it fits. And if I like it, then I'm going to make it maybe from some linen or something like that. I don't have a specific fabric for that yet, so that's another question mark. But I think I would be really benefiting out of a skirt like this. Maybe not a short version, maybe I'm gonna make a longer version, as I have a child and my child will probably start to walk this summer, maybe. So mini skirts are not the most practical things for me to wear right now. So let's go straight to the tops. Another thing that I would really love to make, and I already made one. I have also a video about it here on YouTube. I would link it here so you can check it out. It's, I think, if I remember correctly, it's a pattern from Old Burda magazine from 90s. This time I'm looking for something else, fit that is a little bit more meant to be, you know, the waist that is meant to be, sorry, the waistcoat that is meant to be worn just on the body and under, so a little bit more fitted, I would say. And I'm going to make this pattern from the magazine Ottobre. I don't know if this is how you pronounce. I buy this magazine from time to time. This time I was really interested in the waistcoat. Sometimes you can find really nice things in this magazine. Also, they have an edition for children, so whoever have children, they have cute patterns as well. The fabric that I'm going to use is this beige, like a stone color linen. It's a little bit thicker than this one, which I think will be perfect for this type of pattern, and I'm really hoping that I'm going to wear this a lot this summer. I really think so. I also went through my closet and I have seen that I am lacking on basics, like a t-shirt. I don't always find a good fit and the cut of the basic t-shirts in the shops, if you know what I mean. I don't know, it seems like something simple, but the material is a problem, because I like this kind of cotton jersey that feels like an old t-shirt, not too much stretchy, if you know what I mean, but really thick. It has a lot of structure and holds the shape. Which, please, if you have any suggestions from where I should get this type of fabric, because it seems impossible to find, please let me know in the comments. I'm going to use a pattern again from LUcyaSews. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Little bit boxy, kind of oversized, but not really, not like a slim fitting t-shirt. The pattern is called Alia t-shirt, I think. I have a couple of jerseys at home, but you know, just the ones that have like 5% elastane or something, which is better than nothing. But if I can get my hands on really nice, non-stretchy cotton jersey, this is something I'm going to make a lot, especially white color, because I really like to wear white t-shirts with jeans and the shirts. I'm quite basic. I'm really quite basic person day-to-day life. So this is another top, and then another pattern from LUcyaSews, which I already cut out because I have really small amount of black linen at home and I didn't know what to do with it. So I said, oh, let me try to make this pattern. I have never made it before. It's called Georgie blouse. Very simple. If you want to make a set, they also have a skirt which you buy separately, of course. I think it's very simple skirt to make. This was for the tops. There is one more thing that I want to make for myself. I have a fabric here. This is another fabric that I showed in the previous video. This is a triple gauze, so it's a little bit thicker, really nice quality. And there are two things that I would like to make. I cannot make both because I only have 3 meters of fabric. So I'm questioning, am I going to make something like this that looks a little bit like a nightgown, but I would like to wear it more as a beach cover-up, or like easy going summer dress like in the garden, things like that? Or am I going to make bathrobe, which I think I would really enjoy from this beautiful fabric? This is my dilemma. I don't know how I will end up using this fabric, both, so this is another question mark. But I guess that's it for my projects. I have 2 more patterns and 1 more project to mention, but I just want to say this is for my daughter, so if you're not interested in anything around children, then I guess thank you for watching. It was nice to have you here. And those who are still interested, I would like to just quickly mention 2 patterns. I bought them from Etsy. The name of the pattern company, I think it's called Oh Me, Oh Mine. And the first one is this. It's called Amelia Dress and Romper. Really cute one. And the second one is Chicory Dress and Top. This is how it looks like a blouse and a dress. I already cut out the pattern, so this is for the romper and the dress, Amelia, and this is for the second one, for the chicory dress and top. It's double gauze with the embroidered heart on it. I think she will be amazing. And one last project that I would like to make is I'm going to use this fabric. This is going to be for her bedroom, and I'm sure if you have children or you by yourself or around you and you have seen some pictures of children's bedroom, you have seen this kind of beautiful canopies that you can put above the crib or a toddler's bed. Children use it also as a tent later on. This is what I'm going to make for my daughter, and I can't wait. There is a little bit of mathematics involved. I still have to figure it out exactly how I'm going to make it. I saw people using hula hoop. I ordered one and I was lucky to find the one from wood. Fingers crossed it will come not broken. this is the last project that I would like to make. If I will have time, maybe I will film the tutorial, because I haven't seen anything like this on YouTube, exactly like this. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today. My battery is flashing, so thank you guys for watching. I hope that you got inspired. Click the like on this video if you did. Subscribe if you are not. And I will see you again with another one. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.